These tips and tricks should help you. These tips and tricks should help you get. These tips and tricks. These tips and tricks. Ever seen those insane aerial view videos? Yeah, drones. It always blows my mind. I'm sure yours included. And not just any old drone videography, but specifically creating stunning and professional videos for businesses. Real estate agents, architects, construction companies, you name it. And I'm not talking about just flying your drone around and hoping for the best. Oh no, I'm talking about creating aerial masterpieces that showcase the best of what these businesses have to offer. From eye-popping bird's-eye views to mesmerizing swooping shots, drone videography is the future of real estate marketing. And it's time you jumped on board. My name is Alan, and I'm here to be your co-pilot as we navigate the skies and explore the ins and outs of this exciting field. I can tell you're growing impatient. Let's get started, shall we? Wait, you do have a drone, right? Understanding drone technology. Drones. There's no denying they're all the rage these days. But with so many options on the market, it can be a little overwhelming to choose the right one for your business. Fear not, we're here to help you navigate the skies. First, let's talk about the different types of drones available. There are consumer drones, prosumer drones, professional drones, and those drones. That's a Bram, dumbass. Oh yeah, and you got a drone? Anyway, when it comes to video production, you will want to look for a drone with high quality cameras, stable flight, and the ability to control the camera angle. It's also important to know the rules of the skies before you start your business. Make sure you are aware of the regulations in your area and obtain the proper certifications if necessary. Finding your niche in the market. So you've got a drone, you're ready to fly, but where do you start? The first step is to research the market demand for drone video production. Who needs it? Real estate agents, construction companies, event planners, your annoying neighbor's cat, the list goes on. Once you've identified your potential target audience, it's time to analyze the competition. How can you stand out from the rest? What unique value can you bring to the table? These are the questions you need to ask yourself to differentiate yourself from the competition. But nothing can come out of it without a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is your ticket to success, so make sure it's a good one. High-quality drone videos and creative editing are key to making a lasting impression. Use the right software and hardware to bring your visions to life. And don't forget to showcase your portfolio on the right platforms. Whether it's your website, social media, or industry events, make sure your work is seen by the right people. Just don't post drone videos that are intrusive. Got one hell of a fine from that. Building your client base. You've got your drone, your portfolio, now it's time to find some clients. Networking, cold emailing, word of mouth, your neighbor complaining to the authorities, there are many ways to build your client base. The key is to effectively pitch your services to potential clients and show them why you're the best choice for the job. Building a strong network of contacts in the industry is also important. You never know who might need your services in the future. Therefore, it's crucial to establish your brand and pricing. Your brand is your face to the world, so make sure it's a strong one. A professional and cohesive brand image will set you apart from the competition and make a lasting impression on clients. When it comes to pricing, make sure you're competitive and offer value for money. Remember, you're providing a service, not just a product. Delivering the final product. Now, it's time to deliver the final product. Make sure you exceed the client's expectations and provide them with a high-quality drone video that they will love. The process of delivering the final product can be nerve-wracking, but with a few key steps, you can make sure that everything runs smoothly. One of the most important things is to have clear communication with your client. Make sure you have a clear understanding of their expectations and needs, and that they have a clear understanding of what they can expect from you. This will help to avoid any misunderstandings and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Another key step is to make sure that the final video meets or exceeds the client's expectations. This means paying close attention to details such as the quality of the footage, the editing, and the sound quality. Remember, the video should look professional and polished, so take the time to get it right. Finally, once you've delivered the final video, it's important to follow up with the client to make sure that they're happy with the results. Ask for the feedback and be open to making any necessary revisions. This not only shows that you care about the quality of your work, but it also helps to maintain a strong relationship with the client. Conclusion. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating drone videos for real estate agents and other businesses. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to take your business to the next level, these tips and tricks should help you. These tips and tricks should help you get. These tips and tricks. These tips and tricks. These tips and tricks should help you get there. Thank you for following along, and we hope that you found this guide helpful. If it did, please consider subscribing and staying tuned for more guides from us in the future. See you in the next one.